Hi. Well, I got out here in the TrailManor and I got busy this morning, and I want to show you my progress. The wallpaper is up. The curtains are up. You probably can't see it too good because the light's not good enough. This is I guess the back bedroom. It's got the queen bed in it. I may still put a strip of wallpaper across there that matches the front stuff. So those are the back curtains. This is the wallpaper that is on the wall. This one lifts up and turns into the kitchen wall. It comes up. And there's the wallpaper in the kitchen. I still have to put the trim pieces up. And those trim pieces are right there. Isn't that pretty? Got that from my sister Shay. She was having a pretty rough time. And I loved the saying on it. If you can see that. It says, "Hold this cross in your hands whenever you need to remember God is holding you in His." Anyway, I was going through a rough time when my husband passed away, and she gave it back to me. Said it was my turn to have it. So there's the curtains, all done, put up. Wallpaper's done. So excited. Oh, gotta fix that tie back. I wish all the curtains were like this, with the valance over the top of the curtain. For some reason they're like that everywhere else. I'm not real fond of that, but I'm going to work on a solution. Not real fond of that. I'm getting ready to cut the tiles. I'm going to put on this little bitty wall right there next to the bathroom sink. And then I haven't decided if I'm going to go ahead and run it the whole length of this little tiny piece right here. Okay, I hope putting this in is as easy as the directions say, because cutting it was quite a challenge. You wouldn't stick it, so we'll see. You can get the sticky off, that'd be great. There's the front. Over out here. Ooh, silver on the back. Actually kind of heavy. Ooh, they're sticky. Wow. Really sticky. This fits right. It worked out nice. And I like the way it looks. I don't want to do it across all there though. That's just not easy to work with. Oh well, we'll see. So excited about getting the paint done and the wallpaper done and the curtains up out front. I completely forgot about the bathroom. When I set the walls up, I saw, and you're going to see now too, that I still got wallpaper to put up in here. I love the way that tile looks though. So tomorrow I'm going to put the tile stuff across this and down the front, and I'll roll it over it so there's no seam. But that's tomorrow. I'm tired tonight. And I gotta turn the water off. So yeah, that's it. Getting there. Clean up my mess because I've really torn this place apart. And get this uploaded, and I'll be back out tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and the little bell icon. Thanks a lot. Bye.